Hey there, welcome to Real Women Real Results, where our clients share their body transformation success stories through our 90-day weight gain transformation program. Meet Purvika, a software engineer living in Bangalore, getting married in a couple of months. She was struggling to gain weight, not having a proper routine. Her mom was also worried about her health. But in just 90 days, she gained 4 kgs. She is now more stronger. She feels more confident to wear her wedding lehenga, and her mom is proud of her. If you want to see her amazing transformation, keep watching.
Okay. So yes, first of all, congrats, Purvika, on completing the 90 days, gaining some
Thank you
healthy
so
weight. And
much.
so how do you feel coming here, gaining the weight that you wanted?
It's amazing. At one point I thought I was just decreasing, and there was no way I was coming back to even 500 grams extra. That was very difficult. Every time I eat, drink, I'm anxious. Then I suddenly go to the washroom and it's gone. I check my weight, it's gone. I saw some weight progress only after I joined the program, to be very honest. And I think on my end, I could have done better in terms of diet. I see like I was 34.3 or something, and then I suddenly see 37. Day before yesterday, I checked my weight. Strength wise, in the initial days, I used to not do a lot. I mean, it was very difficult. I was getting like pain, hand pain, and all of that. And then suddenly, after a week, not even after a week, 2, 3 days later, I was able to, like, I used to feel more energetic. And then I could do long hours, without taking rest. Like, I could go out the whole day and I would never feel tired. So that I've seen a lot. I'm telling you, it has helped me a lot. My mom and I just came back home this time. I'm actually at home right now. And she was like, "What did you do that I didn't do?"
Yeah.
So it
Wow.
was good.
So,
My mom said that because my cheeks had come out and she was surprised because after a long time, she was seeing me like that. And then she was like, continue. And I think she was just telling me to do whatever I was doing better so that she can see more of my cheeks.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. And apart
Hmm.
from just the cheeks and the physical appearance, energy-wise, confidence-wise, how do you think you've completely changed?
Earlier, when used to go to office, I used to feel a little bit shy. Like I used to control my peace so that my weight doesn't show less. And then suddenly, I was like, even if I ate a little, I was feeling good about it. Feeling good about it is also something, right? Which I used to not feel at all. And suddenly, I'm like, this might be easy. I was just thinking it is impossible, but it is easy. I just have to make sure I'm consistent. That's what I felt. And about the workouts, um, like I was doing it alternate. Maybe if I did it exactly how it was, then definitely I myself, I know that I would have been seeing 40 right now.
Yeah. Amazing. But
Hmm.
there's still, it's just the
That
beginning, and we're definitely going to see 40 anytime soon.
yes,
Right? Amazing. So
right.
overall, how was your experience with me as your coach, with Fitnia as a team?
It's amazing. Like I mentioned to you earlier as well that I have been inconsistent in about my workouts and food as well. But with this app, to be very honest, the app is very helpful. Like if I see it and if I go through all the workouts, it looks kind of easy also. It feels like okay, one at a time. So one at a time is like it makes it a lot more easier to the mind. Like if you just pick a workout like 40 minutes all at once, then it might be, oh, I can't do this. But this is
Mhm.
not like that. It shows at every step what I'm supposed to do, which makes it a lot more easier. And I always felt good after doing it. So amazing it is.
Lovely. And how was your experience with me as your coach apart from the app?
You are amazing. I don't think anybody would have ever complained. And you look so pretty also. So I'm kind of a
Oh,
fangirling
yeah.
right now. And also, I think I can be you in few days. Like
Yeah, why
with my
not?
cheeks and
Because
strength, and your postures are so good. I've been trying, but then your postures are so good. I want to be that girl in some days or some months maybe.
yes, why not?
Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified fitness coach and a weight gain specialist. We've helped transform hundreds of busy working women globally through Fitnia's 90-day weight gain transformation program. If her story inspired you, then there are dozens of stories in our Real Women, Real Results playlist. Binge watch them, get inspired, and if you're ready to transform yourself in just 90 days, then click the link below to book a one-on-one consultation call with us and get started today.